Hello bakers and chef, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Jude and I am your chef for today. So today I'm going to make you a no-bake cherry cheesecake. I used a fresh cherry on this cheesecake because I know it's summer and this cheesecake is really perfect for our summer dessert. So soon I'll be making more fresh fruit and I'm gonna make like cheesecake or any kinds of cake using our fresh fruit right now because summer here in Canada. For our Oreo crust, we need the following ingredients. We need 65 grams of Oreo and 25 grams of melted sugar. We need the unsalted one. So we need to melt our unsalted butter so that we could mix this to our Oreo crust. So let's just crush our Oreo using potato masher. Yes, actually guys, you can use it your bare hands too, it's fine. And then let's mix our, but before you mix your butter, make sure that's already cooled down guys. So I have with me the 6-inch pan. Then I'm gonna mold our Oreo crust here and then put this in the fridge for about 1 hour so that the crust will be set there. And then if it's already set, it's the time we were going to use this. So at this moment, I am going to make a puree for our fresh cherry and the bottled one. So I have with me the 90 grams of cherry. One of them is 50% of the fresh one and 40% is the cherry in the bottle. So I'm using our hand blender right now to puree our cherry. So I'm done with our puree. So let's separate the puree and the water and then set aside. Then I have with me the ingredients for our cream cheese. Then we need 250 grams of cream cheese, 65 grams of sugar, 100 grams of yogurt, 120 grams of fresh cream or whipping cream, 6 grams of lemon juice, and 8 grams of gelatin. Right now, I'm starting putting all our ingredients in the mixer. So I'm gonna put first our cream cheese, then followed by our yogurt. So followed by our sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice. I'm gonna show you how the textures looks like and the consistency of our cream cheese. Then this is the time we're gonna put our gelatin. So with me right now is the 120 grams of whipping cream. So I'm gonna whip this in a soft thick texture before folding it to our cream cheese mixture. So right now I'm putting away our 200 grams of cream cheese mixture because I'm gonna put this on the top of our cream cheese later. The other half of this is I'm gonna mix this with our cherry puree. My secret to this, to stabilize quickly, I put this in the freezer for like 15 minutes until the texture becomes stable and not really jiggly texture. Meanwhile, while waiting for our cheesecake to be set or stable, we're gonna do our cherry jelly. We need the 8 grams of water, 60 grams of sugar, 3 grams of lemon juice, and 2 grams of gelatin. So we're gonna mix them all together. Then after that, we're gonna whisk it and then let it boil, and then we're gonna strain it with our sifter after that. So I'm straining it and then get the temperature. At this point, guys, we need at least below 30 degrees centigrade. Why? Because we have the first layer, right? So when we pour a hot jelly there, they're gonna melt our cream cheese mixture. So we have to be careful with that. So this is after 15 minutes in the freezer. As you can see, the texture, it's very stable and can hold the weight that you're gonna pour inside on the top of it. So as you can see, also the gel didn't melt any of our cream cheese mixture because we did the right temperature for this. So before pouring our last layer of our cream cheese, or like a cherry cream cheesecake, I also did like 15 minutes of putting our gelatin in the freezer, so that also can hold the third layer as well. So this is now the texture, and now I'm putting our last layer, which is I already did it earlier, that I separated the 200 grams, if you still remember that. So this is the last layer. So let's put this in the freezer for like 2 hours, or you can put this in the fridge for like 4 to 5 hours. So this is after 2 hours, and I have with me a warm cloth to wipe down the side so that we can remove our cream cheese or cheesecake inside our baking pan. So if this is your first time to watch my video, please don't forget to subscribe or click the subscribe button, leave your message, like and share my video, and see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much.